Hi folks, how you doing? Welcome to another little vlog. Sorry I haven't really posted, literally like a week nearly. Last video I think I did was that workbench Wednesday. I've been sort of really busy. Not actually achieving anything, but just busy. Before we get into what we've been doing, can you do me a favour and just sort of hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're informed of all my new videos. It really does help out, like with the YouTube and everything else. You know, there's so many people that watch the channel but then are not subscribed, so please subscribe now. Also, while you're subscribing, don't forget to check out the description. You know, check out all my friends' channels. You know, Myco Knight, Mill Creek Fab Shop, Ralfy Customs, Outlaw Edge, Kahnawake Utah Garages, Papito's Casa the Welding. Fuck me, I did that straight off the top of my head. I'm getting better at this. That's awesome. Woohoo! It's probably because I didn't say all your names. I just rattled off the YouTube channels. Oh shit. Yeah. Anyway, so I haven't actually been down the unit in nearly a week. Well, I've been down here, but I've been dropping shit off. I've just been busy. So I think the last vlog that I did, I was actually getting on with these, I think. So yeah, I'm nearly finished them off. I've welded the nuts on now, cleaned all the vent up. Look, I've even actually stripped it all out, so I'm ready to weld. That one's done as well, cleaned up. All of the hooks are ready to go. So that's what I'm doing at the minute. Later on, I've got a lock to fit on me door. So, oh, look at that view. I love this view. So yeah, that's my door, and it's only got this lock on at the minute. I'm going to try and get all my tools down today and go in there. So before I get my tools in, I'm going to put a lock on the back here, because this flaps around all over the place, and it's only got this shitty lock inside. So yeah, I'm going to sort of brace that up. Yeah, it's been so busy. You know, I'm like busy today, non-stop. So I'm trying to get my toolbox down here today. Fucking stay tomorrow. That's why I'm sort of like really staving into the van, just absolutely just smashing it out. But I priced up 2 jobs during the week, so actually going to start getting some money in, which would be nice. They're two fairly big jobs as well, which is good. Big jobs, but I can turn them around pretty quickly, so it's a nice bit of cash for us. My partner does these. She's just got a big order for these. It's all pyrography, but I need to make some more of these metal things. So I've got a load more metal there, but before I do it, I really need to make a new stand for my bandsaw. So then it's all good. So yeah, busy. So I was literally just waiting for metal to cool down. I thought, oh fuck, I ain't done a vlog for a while, so do a quick one while I'm waiting for things to cool down. So it's cooled down. I'm going to crack on and get some welding done. I'll be back in a minute. Got the rails welded in. The welding's not the neatest. It's pretty shit, to be fair. But it's solid. It's my van. I don't give a fuck. You can see where I marked it up. I was going to, you can see I sort of started to sort of attacked it. So what I was going to do sort of everywhere. But I've just done it underneath the holes. But yeah, this is the idea, isn't it? So I've got these hooks, and I can just move them where I want. These little hooks on the thread, so I can just screw that in, anchor shit down, and then I can move it everywhere as and when how I need it. I'm going to do the same here as well. So put some threaded ones in and put a threaded one there, because I mean these are absolute fucking donkey toffee. So I did make a start on the lock, but I need to be able to close the door to get some proper measurements, and the van's in the way. So the van's sort of flop right in the door, and I need to close the door. But I did make a start on cutting the stock up. I say cutting it up, I squared it up so that I can start measuring. It's about as far as I've got with the lock. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Right, so this is basically what I got. It's a really block of steel. I'm going to put there. Right, I've cut it down. Right, there's gaps either end because I still need to cut that in half, and then I need to put some steel in there. So I've already measured it, so it works out. The only thing that really annoys me is it's going to stick out a little bit there, but it'll still be solid. So let's crack on. So I'm just about to drill this hole. I'll clamp this up and I wanted to get me vise. I'm not even fucking about. I've just spent 20 minutes looking all around for my vise because I'm sure I'll put it on the floor. So I'm trying to rush around so I can get this lock sorted out, because I need to go home and then pick up my toolbox and then get back here before it gets like stupid o'clock at night. Guess what I've gone and done did? I measured my 50mm box for my the lock, and then cut out 50mm plates and then drilled the holes. Can you see what I did yet? Fucking knobhead. So I've got to start again. Right, we're on the next day. I just got too late last night and I needed to get things moving along. I mean, I didn't actually end up finishing here until about 11:30. Time I'd move stuff around and I had to move a van as well. So my toolbox is here, finally. It needs sorting out. There's a mess fucking everywhere. So started doing the lock properly, but I've got my other toolbox in here as well. You can see how these lots sort of worked beautifully, because that does not move at all. Another there. So this is the other thing I had to sort of move last night, this fucking monstrosity. I've got to do a little bit of welding underneath and then discs and pads all around. I mean, look at the state of it. It should be scrapped. Look at it. Look at this dodgy welding, look. Who does this? Look, that's the bottom of the door. I'm not touching any of that, I haven't touched it. I've just got to weld up a bit of the chassis so it can be road legal. So I emptied all the drawers at the top box thinking, yeah, I'll lift that, it's not a problem. Can't quite get it high enough, so we're going to slide it. Wish me luck. There you go, it's all set up, looking nice and tidy. Need to sort my bandsaw out and then I'm going to try and get my compressor over in this corner. Still need to put all my clamps away because they're everywhere. There's like loads of clamps there, and then there's like loads of clamps down there, and there's loads of clamps on the bench. But yeah, still some tidying up to do. But I've got to go do a set of discs and pads on my sister-in-law's car at the minute. So instead of dragging this on for, instead of dragging this on for like 3 days, we'll call it a day here, and at least I can get it uploaded tonight. So yeah, again, like I said at the top of the video, don't forget to check out the description for all my friends. Please have a look at my merch store, my Teespring store. We've got t-shirts, we've got hoodies, cups, you know, all sorts of the products in all sorts of colours. So please go check that out and support me. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, drop a comment, even if it's just say hello. I'll catch you next time. Bye.